Welcome to the NISC Minute. This is David Bonnett, Vice President of Product Management here at NISC. We bring some exciting news that we want to share with you today. We have officially consummated the acquisition of Affinegy based in Austin, Texas today. Affinegy, for some of you who may not be familiar with them, is a provider of software to telecom and broadband providers that performs device management or ACS functions for helping carriers manage and provide Wi-Fi service to consumers in the home. Their platform performs a wide variety of functions that help carriers more efficiently serve the customer when, for example, they might be troubleshooting a problem or an issue in the home, maybe getting a device connected. They can use the software remotely to help troubleshoot and fix those kind of issues in a very automated way. So let me help you understand a little more about what Affinegy does and what their product provides. Their product today is called Chariot. They've been in business a long time. They've worked with numerous carriers all across the world, in fact. And what makes their platform so valuable is with the growth in Internet of Things and the growing number of devices that we're all adding to our homes, they provide very valuable tools to the carrier to help them provide managed services into the home. And as we have more devices, including that new Ring doorbell that you've added to your home that might not have a very good connection into your Wi-Fi network at the house, and you call your carrier, they have tools to help you troubleshoot that and figure out how you can accommodate or remedy that, whether it's through some interference that you might have on some Wi-Fi channels. Maybe you just need a more robust router altogether, or other solutions to those kind of issues. And so as carriers serve their customers and seek to do so in a way that's superior, they need these kind of tools. And not only that, they're also a provider of tools to the end consumer. They have an app, for example, that the consumer can download to manage things like parental controls and help you manage your Wi-Fi network or set up or make changes to your passwords and so forth to your Wi-Fi network in your home. So they have a really great solution set. And as we think about them as part of the NISC family, we're excited to integrate these capabilities into many of the platforms we already provide our members. So whether that's the consumer and our Smart Hub application, or whether that's our call center applications that support troubleshooting and help desk functions for taking calls and troubleshooting those, or whether it's our marketing capabilities to be able to use this information and help carriers more effectively target and provide a suite of broadband capabilities that produce value. Okay, there's a last thing that I also wanted to tell you about the Affinegy platform, and that's some of the great work that they're doing to help our members comply with FCC requirements for speed and latency testing of broadband speeds in the home. And so with the hardware platforms that they support being standards-based, they can work with just about any consumer premise equipment that our members might have out there that's based on the TR069 standard. And so they are providing a whole platform to enable our members to comply with that FCC and funding requirements of CAF2 through their platform. So that's one last thing that we're really excited about that we think is going to help our members quickly take advantage of this platform. So with that, we just want to say thank you, Affinegy employees, for working with us through this process. Thank you, wonderful founders, Melissa Simpler, Art Lancaster. You guys have been great to work with. Welcome you and your team to the NISC family. So with that, we'll go ahead and sign off, and thank you for watching the NISC Minute.